Welcome to the Roadrunner, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and the latest updates on cars and automobiles. In today's video, we are going to take a detailed look at the 2025 Tata Tigor, exploring its design, specifications, and features that make it one of the most anticipated cars in its segment. The 2025 Tata Tigor comes with a fresh and stylish design, combining sleek lines and modern aesthetics. The compact sedan maintains the distinctive Tata family look, with a bold front grille, sharp headlights, and a well-sculpted body. The exterior design is complemented by new alloy wheels and stylish taillights, giving the car an overall sophisticated and premium feel. The Tigor is designed to appeal to those looking for a stylish yet practical car with great performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Tigor is expected to come with updated engine options, offering both fuel efficiency and sufficient power for city and highway driving. The car will likely feature a 1.2-liter petrol engine with an automatic transmission option, delivering smooth and responsive performance. This makes the Tigor an ideal choice for urban commuters who need a reliable, fuel-efficient vehicle. On the inside, the 2025 Tigor continues to offer a comfortable cabin with a host of features to enhance the driving experience. The dashboard has been redesigned with premium materials, and the infotainment system comes with a larger touchscreen display, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Tigor also comes equipped with advanced safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure for improved safety during any drive. In terms of space, the Tigor offers ample legroom and headroom, both for front and rear passengers, making it a good option for families or those who require extra space for long journeys. The boot space remains impressive, providing plenty of room for luggage or other cargo. To summarize, the 2025 Tata Tigor is a well-rounded, stylish, and feature-packed compact sedan that offers great value for money in its segment. Whether you're looking for a car with excellent fuel efficiency, advanced tech features, or superior safety, the Tigor should be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from the Roadrunner.